Hi you all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Team Bat. Today I will be reviewing to you guys my new ring light. And if you are a old subscriber, thank you for subscribing. New subscribers, thank you so much for all of your support. Let's unbox. So guys, this is what it comes in. So it's like there's actually two set of boxes in. This is another package again. Another package again. And it looks like it was made in China. Oh my god, this is really packaged. It's like really packaged. It looks like there's another box inside of this again. Goodness. This is so much. This is so much, man. The second package is gone now. The second box is gone. And then I'm guessing this is where all the cords are for the lights. And I'm guessing this is where the actual ring lights are. Third box. The packaging is like on the go. And the name of the ring light is called MOUNTDOG. So let's unreveal. Let's see what this looks like. Oh. Whoa. I don't know. Does that look like 18H light? I don't know. It is 18H. I don't know. It looks kind of small though. But yes, this is what the ring light looks like. I'm actually very happy with it. And it comes with a bag, as you guys know. So let's see if it has a tripod. Because I hope it does come with a tripod. So many boxes here. I don't know which one to switch. You can just actually put it with a plasticky ring light. So you can make it white or orange if you wanted to. But now I'm worried, where's the tripod? Oh, this is a tripod. It's a tripod, guys. That's a tripod. It's not bad after all. It's not actually bad. Let's see. Let's see. This is the tripod that comes with it. Yeah. Let's see how sturdy it is here. It's not bad, I would say. It's okay. It's on the average for in terms of being sturdy on the floor. It's okay. Let's see what goes on here. Honestly, I don't even know how this attaches to each other, but I think I can try to figure that out. So guys, I'm just going to attach the phone to the ring light, the phone case to the ring light. It's got this space here where it could go into, and I'm just going to attach that to the ring light. So I'm just going to screw it down. So that's screwed. That's screwed, and now I'm just going to attach this to the tripod. It's got this flexi band thing, but I'm not going to attach that right now to it. And then I will connect the ring light to this and show you how it looks like. It comes with this adapter cord and extension cord. Touch that on. Guys, this is what the full setup of the ring light looks like. Like that. What it looks like. The ring light looks like that. The ring light looks like that. So it's quite tall, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Right now, I'm just going to show you what the ring light looks like on. This is the softest look. This is the softest look with the ring light, and this is what it looks like as I continually increase the brightness of the light. That's how bright it looks, and I can dim it down. See that? Dim it down. And I look like I'm at home, but yeah, see that? It's like really bright. And I didn't change the ISO, I didn't change no settings in my camera, I just left it the same, and that's how bright it looks. So I feel like this is really beautiful, it brightens your eyes. And yeah. And let me show you with the lights turned off. So this is the light turned off, it's one bright light. And then like that is another bright light, and this is the brightest. So that's the brightest it does look. That's what the camera looks like. Bright and not bright. Very bright. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just wanted to show you my ring light. If you're looking into doing it, it's quite quick. It does not get hot. And I used to do like light on a budget before, but now it's like it's so much better with this. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any other questions, let me know.